Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, March 13th. We are seeing some cloudy skies and breezy winds out there this morning. We do anticipate some sunshine as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours, but we can expect breezy winds with wind gusts of 35 to possibly 40 miles per hour to continue throughout the workday. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we see that large area low pressure off of the northeast coast that brought us some rain showers throughout the day yesterday, and that is going to stick around in that area for a while as high pressure builds in from the central part of the country, and that is going to keep that pressure gradient tight across the Wallops area throughout this week, and especially today as we're still getting that deep low off to the east, really keeping those gradients tight and keeping those winds up throughout the day with wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour possible before we get those winds decreasing as we go into tonight. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop this morning, we are seeing widespread wind gusts into the mid to upper 30s across the entire mid-Atlantic region, especially here on the Delmarva. We are seeing temperatures still pretty chilly out there this morning in the mid-30s. We do anticipate a chilly day today with temperatures only rising around the mid-40s, which is a little bit unseasonably cold for this time of year. However, with that drier north-northwesterly flow coming in, we do anticipate that cloud cover to clear off here in the next hour or so, and then we'll start to see some sunshine under partly cloudy skies by the time we get to the lunchtime. So as of 8 a.m., we did see an overcast deck still around 2,200 feet. Winds were sustained at as in the 310 at 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots, and we were seeing a temperature of 36 degrees. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, just anticipating those breezy winds that continue, but we are going to be looking at some sunshine coming up later in the day. We are going to be looking at sustained winds around 16 to 21 knots as we go into this afternoon, gusting around 30, but we can expect possibly a little bit higher if we get with that ample sunshine. Winds are expected to die down a bit as we go into tonight under partly cloudy skies. We are expecting a chilly morning for Wednesday with a low of 30 degrees. Winds are going to die down to around 5 to 10 knots as we go into the pre-dawn hours of Wednesday. And then we do anticipate those winds to increase once again to wind advisory criteria as we go into the late morning to midday period on Wednesday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are going to be seeing those clouds scour out by the late morning hour, just becoming a few at 2,500 and a few at 4,000 for the afternoon period, with maybe some upper level clouds near 20,000 creeping into the area. I do anticipate just some partly cloudy skies into the overnight hours as well, with some clouds at the 5,000 and 8,000 levels, and then some 10,000, that 8,000 level will transition into 10,000 feet as we go into the pre-dawn hours of Wednesday. We could see as we get some upper level energy swinging through the area, those cloud covers that cloud deck could become broken near the 10,000 foot level by Wednesday morning. Taking a look at the next few days, still going to be looking at a chance for breezy winds throughout much of the week. Going to be looking at those winds gusting around 25 to 30 knots for the midday to afternoon period tomorrow. Still looking at a chilly high of around 46 degrees under partly cloudy skies. We are going to be seeing an upper level impulse move through the area, and with steep lapse rates, can't rule out a slight chance of an afternoon shower popping up across the area, but that does look to be less than 15% at this time. For Wednesday night, still going to be looking at some slightly breezy winds with a low of 31. And then Thursday, we should start to see those winds die down just a little bit, but still seeing a slight chance of some wind advisory criteria with some brief gusts to 25 knots. And we'll be seeing mostly cloudy skies with a more seasonable high temperature of 53. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.